Hey guys, we are here at Emma and there's a lot of stuff happening today. We got our HVAC guys on site. We got our electrician on site.
The last time you were here, we were just putting windows in. And I think that was like the big action happening.
We actually had to order a couple additional windows, so there's like 2 more that are gonna go in, but
yeah, Renovation Realities, our first GC in this project, did not submit our window plans to the window guy.
But we reframed the whole house and made the 17 windows that he did order work, which actually turned out really good.
But today, we want to answer a lot of your questions. So we've got a lot of friends on Instagram who were following Nick as he was doing a walkthrough a couple days ago and showing you the HVAC split units that you can do. Since we can't do a regular HVAC system because of the way our joists are running, we're doing a ductless system. We didn't want soffits. So all of you guys had questions. We didn't have all the exact answers, so we thought we'd go to like the professional and interview Mike from Good Guys Heating and Cooling and get some answers from him.
So we're here with Mike from Good Guys Heating and Cooling, and we're going to talk about ductless heating and cooling systems.
Yeah.
2 of the main reasons that I really wanted to try these out is A, I like the customized controlling. So every space, like I'll be in my room at 60 degrees at night sleeping like this, and then Sarah can be in her room sleeping at 98 degrees.
Yeah, well, you cannot run heating and cooling. You can't run heating on one unit and cooling on another.
Okay.
They all have to run on cooling or all on heating.
Just like a regular system.
Yes.
But she can adjust her AC to
off,
and I can adjust my AC to 60
So
degrees.
each room can be its zone. It also has a dehumidification control on there, so it'll actually dehumidify the room without actually cooling it.
Amazing.
Okay. Have you heard homeowners complain about like changing the filters out or like more maintenance in terms of?
The filters are a little, you know, that's kind of the thing. I don't recommend them for rental properties.
Yeah.
You know, because you do have to change, at least check the filters frequently. Like little tabs here, and these actually slide into grooves at the top. And then this just snaps right in.
Wait, so that's the filter?
That's the filter.
So I just take that out, I take my sink or whatever, and I take my, my wand.
You can use 409 or just soapy water and spray it down.
In terms of efficiency, I know you were talking, I think you mentioned 22 SEER on the cooling side of things. I know they're super quiet.
Yes, they are super quiet. As far as the outdoor units are concerned, you barely hear the fans run. The compressors are all variable speed, very quiet.
So installation and the product is more expensive with these guys, but you think long term residential homeowners would save money because these are more efficient?
Well, more so it's the service center behind it. They back their product and that they're always there if you need them. If there's a malfunction or a failure. You don't have to replace a whole situation. Like if you went with Gree, I'm not sure what their service is like, but you know, some of them just don't have good service centers that you can call and get help.
Gotcha.
All right, good.
So that is Emma. Next we are going to Ruth.
Yeah.
And
last time you guys were there, we were hanging drywall.
Yeah, now that's all finished. We're primed, and floors are going in today.
We went with white oak flooring because it was only a few $100 extra total, right? Versus red oak. And I just like the tone of white oak better. We're gonna do a water-based finish, which I know is controversial, but I feel confident about it. But let's go check it out and see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay, quick side note. We're going to hold off on installing the hardwood floors until we get the AC condenser installed. We want the AC to run for a few days so that the space can be conditioned and we can lower the humidity inside the house so that the floorboards can properly acclimate to the space. With that said, in a couple weeks, Ruth is going to look like